So hello class, today we're creating these beautiful snow-covered trees and snowflakes using toilet tissue paper. It is really easy technique and let me show you how. So first part that we're gonna do is we mixed up inside of water, little bit of glue, and I already done it, and I put also some sparkles there, some glitter. So I've already done that, but I'll do more just so you can see. Just open one at a time. You'll get one for your group, and you can just add a little sparkles and then mix it up. So it looks like a nice glistening snow with lots of textures and glitters. As you know, when you look at snow, maybe if you've been in a colder climate, when light touches it, the sun shines on it, it glistens and it shines beautifully like that. And then that's gonna give us the textures when we glue these tissue papers and create our snow-covered trees and landscape. This one was made out of triangle shapes, so 2 triangle shapes and a bunch of snow underneath them. And this one was done by a little cut ups. So you just tears of little paper like this, and you make little shapes like that look like branches. Okay, so you cut in it. You can cut it in half and make bunch of pre-cut paper like that in different sizes. And then you're gonna start putting your glue down and using all this pre-cut paper to create a tree like this one. So I'll show you this technique first. I'm gonna put this one aside. So all you do now is clean up space, because I've got the toilet tissue here, and I've got this landscape, which was just like an ice skating rink with it, or snowy covered just landscape. But let's go with the tree here. So what we're gonna do is underpaint your shape of a tree. Let's just say it's gonna be a tree like snow-covered tree that is coming down this way. And you're just gonna add layers and work with layers of these strips of paper, and the blue is gonna show through as you're layering this down. This looks like a trunk. I'm gonna keep it for a trunk, and you're gonna start layering it down a little bit on the glue you put down, the glue water. Again, don't soak the paper too much because it's gonna be wavy. It's not gonna look good. So we don't want like a wrinkled wavy paper. We really want it to be neat. So, and periodically when you lay it down, gently go over it, not to move the paper. See, I moved it, so you gotta be careful, because where you lay it, you wanna make sure it stays there. You can hold it with the other hand so it doesn't go anywhere. And you just put your brush very gently over the toilet tissue paper and hope that it doesn't move. It's gonna create some awesome textures for you. That's gonna look like fresh covered snow, especially the glitter that's glistening in the painting. It's making it so special. So you're gonna keep going, adding layers. And this one was just made out of creating a triangle shapes, 2 triangle shapes and bunch of snow on the bottom. So you can create that, and you can see how depending how many layers, you're gonna have different shades and values of the blue. And the last thing, once you're done with creating your awesome tree, and you can do 2 trees, you're gonna create some snowflakes. So an easy way to make a nice snowflake is go down to the side, so across, and then an X in the middle, and then a little dots at each end to make it extra whimsical. You can add little lines to it, to the big lines, just to embellish it a little bit. You can also use a white pencil and create a simple ones like this. This is just going down, across, and diagonal, and I'll do that a couple of times. Or just put a snow like this, little dots all over. Don't forget to sign your name, Miss Kramer. Artistically, somewhere on top or on the bottom of your painting. And have fun. I can't wait to see your snow-covered landscapes.